Winds intensified, lofting small objects at first, branches, tumbleweeds, leaves, but grew stronger as the vortex approached. A small farmstead to the southwest of their position was obliterated by the outer winds, sending the pieces eastward towards the Tiv. Inside the vehicle, the roar ramped up, and suddenly, a large bang was heard, and the turret swung wildly, launching the 90-pound IMAX camera out of its position, wedging it between the mount and the wall. At that exact moment, the anemometer was struck by a